benefits. I'm on a hunt for you, flying in every month for you. Out of all them other dudes, I'm the one for you. We connect on a different level. I love how she got her shit together. I got respect for you. Got a sweet, got a...
What's up, you guys? It's your favorite baby mama, and I'm doing a Burger King mukbang. Someone on my Instagram said I should do it. I'm gonna do it. I don't necessarily know why, because I don't even like Burger King, but while I'm eating it, I'm gonna answer some questions. All my baby daddies on here, y'all like, comment, and subscribe. This gonna be y'all child support, so y'all gotta pay that. Pay your child support, okay? So the question I got before I get started is, let me see. This comes from China in Wisconsin, and she wants her pocketbook. She wanna. I said it anyway. Anyway, she wants to pep talk about her girl parts, okay? She wants to know, is it okay for your vagina to have an odor? I say yes, but it's not supposed to be like an unpleasant smell or an offensive smell, like you, oh God, like something died. It's just supposed to be like a light, a light smell. It's not supposed to smell like fish, okay? It's not supposed to. If that's what it smells like, then you need to go see your gynecologist, your OBYN. If you're not old enough, then you need to like talk to your parents about it, because I do know underage girls do whatever. Don't use those little dishy things you get from the store to like put it up there. Don't use that. That's bad for you. It cleanses out all the good bacteria. It disrupts the normal good bacteria you have going on down there. Stop, sis. Don't use it. Also, dishing could potentially bring yeast infections and a whole lot of different problems, Your vagina cleans itself. It cleans itself. You don't need to put nothing up there or nothing. So, don't put perfumes. Do not spray perfume on your lady parts. I know it sounds like crazy, like who would ever do that? People do it, trust me, people be doing it. Okay, and drink lots of water. Drink lots of water, cranberry juice. Eat lots of fruits and vegetables, to kind of like give your body some good nutrients, okay? This is what I do. Stay away from dairy. And at night, I know this is kind of like, maybe no mom says it, but at night when you go to sleep, take your underwear off. Give it some air and let it breathe, because you can't be, just having panties on your whole life. You gotta at some point take them off and let it breathe, and do its thing. Make sure you trim. If you don't want it to be like bald down there, just trim it. Hair creates bacteria. It thrives and lives in the hair. You don't want that. Cut it off. Me personally, I get wax. Your partners that you deal with, make sure they get tested, because some of the time a guy can throw off your pH balance a lot. And with that being said, you should also go see your gynecologist so she could give you more information for that. But that's just my advice of what I think you should do. Okay. We're gonna move on to the next question in a little bit. Well, I had a long day. I had a long day at work. First of all, I didn't want to be there to begin with. I get up every day and be like, why does this place exist? Why can't we just live all in harmony and peace? Not gonna happen. There's too many greedy rich people in the world for us all to be happy, I guess. I seen the weirdest thing the other day. I seen a girl use ketchup for her fries. No, boo, it's clearly honey mustard. Honey mustard. Okay. Now I can talk to y'all a little bit more. But the next question is, okay, the next question doesn't have anything with like feminine stuff, but hey, it landed in my inbox, so I'm gonna answer it. It says, how do you feel about the deadly hornets or murder bees or whatever? I feel like I'm in level 5 of Jumanji. I feel like we got coronavirus going on. So tired of hearing about the coronavirus. But hey, you know, time to live there. Then you got the murder hornets. See, this I think. Okay. You survived the coronavirus and you got a $1,200 check because you know what I'm saying, that's your reward. You know how like in the games? You made it. So you got a check. But all seriously, it's killing people. Be safe. Now we got the little murder bees. And me, y'all, I'm allergic to wasps, okay? I'm allergic to wasps. I think I got, I'm gonna tell y'all, I was at work. I was on my way to work. It was a wasp in my car. I ain't never been bit by no wasps, no bee, nothing. I'm in the car and, you know, I'm just checking everything. I happened to put my hand on my head. I guess I had a little ponytail. I guess it thought it was a little nasty. It was nappy as all good out the way. So I put my hand up here like this, and next thing you know, I felt something go bzz, bzz. Man, I was in the middle of the street, put that thing in park. Something had stung me, and I got to coming out of all my clothes on the middle of the street on Pear Boulevard. Sure did. Got out. Jacket came off. Shirt came off. I don't know where it went because when I grabbed my head, I grabbed the wasp. I grabbed it. And when I grabbed it, it stung my hand. So I threw it, but I didn't know where it went. I just know it went somewhere where it fell. So I'm getting out the car, I'm looking for it, couldn't find it. And then I heard it go, it was in my shirt. So I came out that shirt and was like, ah! Excuse me. I was on the phone with my boyfriend and he was like, what's wrong with you? What's wrong with you? I'm like, something is stinging me. Honey, made it to work. I was fine. And me and the guy was talking about some, have you ever been stung by a wasp? And I was like, nah, have you? And he was like, oh, you'll be all right. Honey. About 30 minutes later, when I'm driving on my route, I feel itching. Oh, I'm just itching. I'm itching in places that you don't need to be scratching. So when I stopped at a light, I flipped the light. I had all these little tiny little bumps on me, itching. I was hot. I told my boss, I can't drive like this. I went back to my home base at my job, and he gave me some Benadryl. Got back in the car, continued to drive. It was horrible for like 2 hours straight. Well, make my own story short. Anything that stings, I'm running. Because that was bad for me. So how do I feel about the murder hornets? I feel the same way I do about any other bug that's extra big, and God created it for whatever reason he felt like we needed it. Why did we need a murder hornet? I don't know. We were fine with bees and wasps. Now you done upgraded to a murder hornet. We in level 5 of Jumanji. Next thing you know, I'm opening my door one day and there's gonna be a tiger at the front door. That's gonna be like level 10. But baby, when the day that happens, when animals come into the city, walking around and stuff, I'm be in the house and tell my job, look, y'all got to pay me. It's monkeys outside. That's how I feel about that. The next question I have is, how do I tell my parents that I am ready to get it on? In so many words. Girl. I guess it's kind of mature that you want to tell your parents that you feel like you have the urge or whatever. Oh, by the way, where's she from? She's from Florida. We're gonna give her a fake name. I always give them a fake name. Let's go with Josie for whatever reason. Ain't nothing to it but to do it. I mean, I'd rather you have a conversation with your parents about having that idea than coming to your parents and saying, hey, look, I'm pregnant. I'd rather you guys have that initial conversation and maybe talk about the steps for getting birth control. Or even if you don't feel like coming out to your parents and saying, hey, tell your mom you need a checkup. Go to the doctor. Tell your doctor how you feeling. Okay? Have your doctor tell your mama. Because that's the conversation to be had one day. Don't wait until you meet the wrong boy and you go through all those highs and lows. Don't wait for all that. Let your parents give you the best advice that they can, because I'm telling you, I know it sounds crazy. I've been there. It's better to have the conversation with your parents, but regardless of how uncomfortable it's gonna be. When you go to the doctor and you're about to get a shot, but at some point in time they're gonna stick you with the needle. Cause I'm afraid of getting needles, but I know at one point they're gonna have to stick me with it. It's kind of like that. At some point, you're gonna need to have that conversation. So don't wait until you make the wrong decision. You want as much help as you can. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying. It's a big burger. See? This one don't eat Burger King. They don't even give me no napkins. You give me this burger with all this stuff on it. Don't give me no napkins. Boo. Boo. I wonder how y'all's weekend was. My weekend was okay until like the very last minute, okay? Oh yeah. This what happened. That very last minute is how I ended up with a broken nail. And these are fresh, boo. These are fresh, but hey. It is what it is, but I'm on a budget. Can't get this fixed until the next time, okay? Once a month type of deal. Next question. What? Next question. Okay. The next question I have is, my mother, give your name, we gotta make up a name, Kia. And Kia is from Georgia. Her question is, not a question. She wants to know what she could do. I don't know this one. She wants to know, she said her mama keeps making her go to church. She didn't tell me how old she was. But I don't know. I didn't have a problem with going to church when I was little. Yeah, I did. I did. I didn't want to wake up that early, but it wasn't because I didn't want to go. I didn't want to get up. She said she don't want to go. Girl, I don't know I don't know. I don't know that answer because I've never had a problem going to church. I don't know, like, why you don't want to go to church? What's wrong with going to church? Maybe, girl, I don't know. I don't have no problem with going to church. I ain't never been in that position. Maybe somebody here who ever had a problem with going to church, how do you tell your parents you don't want to go to church? Somebody need to comment down below and help this girl out because I personally don't know. I go to church on my own. Ain't nobody gotta make me do nothing. I go. But I guess, like, if you had a problem with it, what would you do? What would I do? Telling my mama, I ain't finna tell my mama I ain't going to church. My mama old school. I'd probably get something thrown at me. Ooh, if you go to church on Sunday, you ain't gonna get no Sunday dinner. You ain't gonna be able to see pastor and all your friends at church. You ain't gonna. Your mama gonna be mad. You gonna have to clean the whole house by yourself on Sunday, cause Sunday is a cleaning day too. You clean on the weekends. So maybe before you go to church, you get up early in the morning, clean up, you get dressed, and you go to church, and then you go out to the dinner, right? Yeah, that's how it went in my house. You listen to slow jams in the morning time. That ooh, I wanna. Yeah, that old school stuff. I like that. I didn't want to clean up, but I like to listen to the music though. But I ain't finna miss Sunday dinner, and I ain't finna miss Pastor lecture. Bringing me to salvation. You know what I'm saying? I ain't gonna miss that. So I don't know what to tell you. Anyway, y'all, I'm full. I done had enough of this Burger King. You know, I tried to eat it out. I ate all the fries though. I still have an extra big. This is big. Why you need a burger this big? It's almost bigger than my head. Ain't nothing bigger than my forehead though. But I guess it's a whole nother story. Yeah, I'm about to go because I'm tired. I've been at work all day. I'm gonna go to sleep. But please don't forget to pay your child support below, and comment, and subscribe. Okay? You must do that. Because if you don't, you gonna be a bad deadbeat baby daddy. You don't want to be a deadbeat baby daddy. You're gonna have to pay your baby mama their child support, so you know you don't get in no trouble. So go ahead on and subscribe to my channel, pay your child support. And I'm gonna holler at y'all in the next video. My next video gonna be fire. You don't want to miss that, so you might well go ahead and click the bell too. I'm out of here, y'all. I see y'all later.